All right, here he is, Mr. almost 10 weeks old, talking. Well, tell him how big you are now. We went to the doctor. How big are you? How big are you? So big, right? He is 25 inches long and 13 pounds, 13 pounds, 3 ounces, I think. So, he's a big boy. And he got his shots today. And he's doing okay. He's a little fussy and his leg hurts. But he's okay. But I just can't believe how big he is. Yes. He's in the 95th percentile for height, right? Am I right? And the 80th or 85th percentile for weight. So he's a hoss. Aren't you? Aren't you? Tell him. You know it's true. Tell him. Oh. I know what you're getting ready to do. That was a face. Okay, let's go over here. Let's go over here. Come over here. Follow me, follow me. Hey. That's my boy. That's my boy. What is today? December 10th. Today's December 10th. My goodness, it's almost Christmas. My goodness. Here's my little present. We're going to put him under the Christmas tree. How about it? How about it? You want to go under the Christmas tree? You don't talk when you have the hiccups. You just sit there and hiccup. Why don't you talk to us? Come on. Come on. Oh! Oh, I hope we got that on film. I hope so. You little stinker. Do you think you're funny? Do you think you're funny? Huh? What was that noise that came from down that region? What was that? What did you do? What was that? What was that? Huh? Huh? I heard it. Everybody heard it. Can't miss it. Goodness. You're the gas man, aren't you? You're a pro. Tell me. Tell me. Now, people, I promise I do take him out of his bed. It's just this is when he talks to me the most, is when he's getting changed. And then he starts talking and I have to run for the video camera. Right? You don't talk otherwise. You just get so spaced out by everything else. He loves mini blinds right now and the ceiling fan. Don't you? Don't you? And we love to drool. As you can see. Thank you, Sean, for demonstrating. And we love bright lights. So all these Christmas lights, he's really enjoying them. We have night lights that we have around the house. Because Mama was too lazy to put Christmas decorations up. But we have night lights, and he loves the night lights. Don't ya? Yes, Grandma bought you those night lights. Say, thanks, Grandma. Thanks, Grandma Lee, for getting me my night lights. Yeah. Are you done? Are you done talking? Okay. I gotta make sure, because the minute I turn this camera off, you're gonna do something amazing, and I'm gonna say, why did I turn the camera off? Why did I turn the camera off? Hi. Oh, I could photograph. Oh, whoops. Apparently, Mommy wants you to go to sleep. We're going to turn on everything in your bed. Hi. Hi. What is it? We have our puppies on today with the puppy feet. Right? Right? With the puppy feet? Oh, we're feeling much better now. Goodness, Mom was worried about you. Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. Yeah. You done? You done? Are you done talking to us? Are you done talking to us? Huh? Okay. Fair enough. See you later, Shawn. See you later. Love you.